Hey guys, welcome to this Texas Garden channel. Here we are in the garage in our seedling station. And well, spring is literally around the corner. It's time to get ready. It's time to uh, get ready for get all those things that we want to grow in our garden to produce some fruits and vegetables for us. But when it comes to the seedlings, I got them started like a month ago, pretty much. We got some stuff here going on. We got some peppers, Anaheims. They haven't coming out yet. Uh, Depending on the kind of pepper, they're gonna start popping out of the soil, popping out of the seedling starters, depending on the temperature. Some they can tolerate more cold than others, and so we got the bell peppers. The bell peppers don't give too much. They don't care too much about temperatures. If it's like chill, you can see those seeds germinating with no problem. We got some bell peppers here. We got some only a few jalapenos actually. I'm very surprised that only two germinated. I gotta get some more seeds in there. You got some Siberian wallflower. Yeah, gonna spread some flowering plants out there to to make it look nice. We got artichokes. We're gonna give it a try this year with artichokes because I want to plant these artichokes in the front yard because of the HOA. Our HOA sucks and they don't allow us to grow stuff to eat like fruit or vegetable plants out there. So I'm gonna be sneaky. I'm gonna plant flowers, and and guess what? Artichokes flowers are edible, so they will suck it up. They will have to suck it up. Got some Jimmy Nardellos. They just popped out like 1 week ago. They're coming. Some more flowers and zinnias over there, zinnias over here. More flowers, but these ones are for making tea. Red hibiscus roselles. Uh, you, uh, you, you might known the flowers like hibiscus or Jamaica tea is delicious. So and it's a little bit expensive in the store, so I think we're gonna have to grow them to save some bucks because saving some bucks it's so crucial nowadays, guys. Yeah, right, with those prices. We got some California poppies back there. California poppies, to add some color and beauty to the garden, not just fruits and vegetables. Coral Mexican creeper. This is a flowering vine, and it's great for attracting pollinators. You just gotta be careful. So I'm gonna plan to keep it in containers because they spread so easily and they can become invasive. So you gotta be careful with that. But if you keep it in a container, it's no problem. Uh, of course, tomatoes, sungold tomatoes, cherry tomato sungolds. These are our favorite cherry tomatoes. They're great. I put some already in the backyard. They're growing. Roma tomatoes, you cannot go wrong with Roma tomatoes, right, guys? Roma tomatoes, they're coming. So we got pepper, tomatoes, some other stuff, flowering, some artichokes, and zucchinis. So we got some zucchinis over here. Uh, and yes, we're gonna go against our arch nemesis, the dreadful vine border. So yeah, it's gonna be another year, another war against vine borders in this area here in Houston. So, all that's cool and dandy, guys. But if you don't take care of one thing when it comes to your seedlings, if you don't take care of your fungus gnats, none of this will be possible. Hey, mouse, what's up, baby? She kept checking. Come on, she came on checking what we're doing over here. Just look at some pettings. She's happy. So, if you don't have any kind of control, if you don't know how to control your fungus gnats, brother, you will be miserable because none of this will be alive. But I've shared some methods before on how to manage fungus gnats at this time of the year, getting your seedlings ready. And well, I try these guys, these things, mosquito dunks. These are the most effective ways that I found to calm down, silly dog, to get your gnats under control. I used to take the mosquito dung, get it out of there, and sprinkle it over the soil, and it kind of works, yes, but it's not too effective. I got this sound you. I got this sound you to help out. Maybe we can see that it captures some fungus gnats. No, I think it's not possible to see it, but there's some that she has captured. When I put this plant here, when I started my seedlings, this plant was like this sundae was like very very little tiny, and because of those fungus gnats, it has grown a little bit. For the sundews, if you don't know, you don't apply any fertilizer. It's pretty much a sterile soil, sandy soil with peat moss, a mix of it, and you just put purified water. If you put anything else, you kill it. You put like water with any kind of fertilizer, that's a dead sundew. And that will keep it happy and catching fungus gnats for you. I tried the sticky traps, of course. Of course, I think we've all tried that. It works, as you can see. That sticky trap has captured quite quite a good amount of them, right? But those came from the plants that I bring from the backyard to storage here in the garage, so they don't so they didn't die during the colder days of winter. So I got those fungus gnats. They came from these plants actually. They found the sticky traps, they died. The problem is if you don't find a way, all that's cool and dandy, but you have to find a way to kill the problem to from the source, and the source is the fungus gnat. The fungus gnat is gonna come to your soil on your seedlings. They're gonna lay eggs and they're gonna reproduce like crazy, and they keep on reproducing, eating your plants little tender baby roots, and that's it. That's well, your seedlings won't survive at that. Yeah, they are very very effective on killing plants. So here comes the mosquito dunks. All you have to do is to have some water next to your seedling station. Take a mosquito dunk, boom, throw it in there, let it soak for 1 day, and after that it's gonna be ready. It's gonna be ready because that the mosquito dunks, I think it works. It has it's actually some kind of bacteria that actually when when it comes in contact with the soil, it thrives in the soil, and then it looks after the larvae of fungus gnats. It goes after the larvae and kills the larvae. And a dead larvae of fungus gnat is not going to become an adult fungus gnat. So that's it. You stop the cycle, the reproductive cycle, just like you do with mosquitoes. So they are very effective with mosquitoes and fungus gnats at the same time. And so I got some pieces over here already, like you can see. You can see that right there. Just boom, just toss it in there. And this water right here is a mix of rabbit manure and worm casting tea that I make for making this for feeding the seedlings. And let me tell you guys, it's really good. That's why you see the dark color in it, but it doesn't have any smell. It doesn't smell at all. It has no smell, no odor. So I'm not uncomfortable over here. It's because you can see that cold dark water right there. It's because of the manure. and the worm casting mix. And I got this bucket all the way up since 1 week ago, or no, 2 weeks ago, and no smell. As long you keep you stir it from time to time, once a day, once every couple of days, you'll be fine. So you take all your you take your water, and with the mosquito dung bacteria floating all over the place in there, and you just water your little seedlings with that, and that's it. That's it, guys. That's it, and that will keep your fungus gnats problem at bay. Like, because if I had that fungus gnat problem right here, none of this will be alive. All of this will be dead. All of that will be dead. So yeah, the sticky traps, they can help for a moment. It will be like a temporary solution, but it won't stop, because if only one of those fungus gnats lay eggs in your soil, and those larvae reproduce, and the cycle continues, the reproductive cycle continues. So the fungus gnats, all those babies that will come out of that will lay eggs, and all their babies will lay eggs, and so on, so on, and you'll be swarmed with them, and your seedlings projects will be a failure. I guarantee you that. So that's how we do it, guys. I just wanted to show you a natural way to do it right here. But there's only so much that a sound you can eat. The temporary solution, the sticky traps, and the permanent solution, which is the mosquito tongues. Okay, guys, see you later, guys, in another video. Please like the video if you get to learn anything, you find it interesting. We love you guys. I'll see you outside next time in the next video. I'll show you what we got going on. Love you guys. Bye-bye.